Good job, Oscar.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here, go get it.
Oh, is it too far away?
You can get it.
Go get it.
Go get it.
Go on.
Come in to him.
Yeah, good boy.
Get it, Oscar. Oh, good boy. Good boy.
Look, he's like carrying it to the side.
I'm trying to shake his head, but he couldn't.
Good boy. You ready?
Like growling, but he can't
Go
get there.
fetch it.
At one point, he grabbed the very end of the log.
Oh.
Good boy.
Good job, Oscar.
Good boy.
Are you done? You want to get it again. Come on.
He's like, that's way too far. You
can
get
it. Go on.
Get it, buddy. Go get it, Oscar.
Get it. Come on.
Go fetch.
Outside.
Go fetch it.
Go on.
It's like it chewed up, like pile of wood chips.
Swim to it.
Good boy.
Get it. Good boy.
Job.
Oh, good, Oscar.
He does have a propeller tail.
Little rudder.
Boy. Whoa.
Thanks, Oscar.
Shake off and... Go on. Oh, that was a little far.
Oh, he's going to get it, I think. Go get it, buddy. It's
boy.
getting away. Oh, good boy.
Good boy.
I don't know. He's older. She's younger.
This game's way cooler than it is in the house, isn't it?
I think he might be 5.
Go on, go fetch.
64 maybe.
They're 4 and 5.
That's what I said.
You said maybe 3.
He doesn't know
Good
what
boy.
Good boy, Oscar.
It is numbers.
Yeah.
The only true way to tell is to cut the leg off and count the ring.
Get it, buddy. Get it. It's right there.
Real talk.
Yeah, I get it. Get it, what are you doing?
Found the rock. Well,
Get it, Oscar.
it's not probably any worse than any of the other chemicals. Yeah, but I mean, probably actually the same one.
Oh.
Oh,